Donna Schwartz here from the Everything Saxophone Podcast. I am live on location in Las Vegas for the Sax Girls Rock concert. As you can see the flyer right here, okay? The concert happened already. It was a great show. And I'm here with Allana Southerland Prince. She did awesome. She rocked the house. She really did.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, she was great. So what motivated you to become part of this?
Well, a lot of times female musicians are overlooked, and this is a male-dominated industry. And so for saxophonists across the United States to come together, it was so important for me to be a part of this. And I'm getting chill bumps even talking about it because it's unprecedented. So hopefully it won't be the last one. We can keep this going and maybe even expand, across the U.S. Who knows?
I hope so. A lot of the performers came from the East Coast, actually. A bunch of people from Florida, a bunch of people from Texas, and a couple from like around the West Coast and stuff like that. And there was a good crowd.
Yes, absolutely. I myself am from Florida, so we had a great trip getting here, and it's been fabulous. And the concert, as you mentioned, was so amazing. Each artist brought their different spin to it, and it was amazing.
Yeah, for sure. And I was just saying I interviewed Kim J before, and I was saying how just about every artist came off the stage and engaged the audience. I thought that was great.
Yeah, I've been doing this for so long. When you are engaging with the audience, that's pretty much the best you can give them. That up close and personal experience is just wonderful. And then it puts you right in front of them, and it's amazing. So, yeah, it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun, yeah.
I could definitely tell for sure.
Thank you.
Who were let me ask you this question, who were your biggest mentors in terms of your style of music, the way you play?
Okay, well, I had the opportunity to meet one of my favorite mentors and saxophonist, Kirk Whalum.
Oh, wow.
So I listen to his music and I study his music a lot. He has a lot of feeling, and I love that about him. So I patterned myself after that. But I have to also, in college, when I was getting my bachelor's degree in jazz studies, my teacher, Bunky Green, he's one of the greats. He's a jazz artist, and he's awesome and amazing. And so that's my mentor.
All right, and listen, I heard her. I taped some of her stuff. You also play really good soul and funk. So yeah. Kirk Whalum, definitely the soul. What about the funk?
Oh man, believe it or not, yay! Happy birthday!
Someone had a birthday. So Ernie across the way.
That's right.
She's
playing
right
Happy Birthday. That's right.
That's right.
Yeah.
And we got it live on the tape.
You never know what you're gonna get. See, Sax Girls Rock for real. Right. It's happening right now.
And this is not at the concert venue either. We're at the hotel. We're everywhere.
Woo! Oh, I don't want to yell. Okay, yay! That was awesome. But yes, cool. Okay.
So we were back to the
funk.
Yeah.
Yes. Believe it or not, there have been so many people that have influenced me, but a lot of them are actually gospel. And so when you fuse jazz and gospel together, it's going to give you a little bit of funk,
Yeah.
So, I love them all. There's so many to name, but as far as, saxophonists and even vocalists as well,
Okay.
So, you got Marvin Gaye, of course, with the soul. You have George Clinton with the funk,
Right. Yeah.
So I just like to, play a little bit of everything.
And I heard it. I definitely heard it in your sound.
Thank you.
I really mean it. I mean, you sounded fantastic.
Thank
you. What projects do you have coming up for 2024?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Well, I just got done in Atlanta, and, of course, now I'm here in Vegas. And then by the end of this year, I'll have another project. It's not going to be a Christmas album, but it will have Christmas songs on it. So look for that in November. I'm excited.
Awesome. And you know what? Let me ask this question, too. Where can people find you online?
Oh, thanks. PartyInABoxBand.com. Also, you can look us up on Facebook and Instagram, Party in a Box Band, or you can also follow me, Allana Southerland Prince, as well.
And we'll have the spelling in the show notes for you, just in case.
All right.
Well, listen, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.